Hello everyone, it's Heather. So today we're going to talk about paper storage, starting from largest sizes to the smallest sizes in my craft room. So this is what my craft room looks like under my desk, and this is the large paper pads because they're so big I've nowhere else to put them. I've got some trays on top of shelving. In here we have lots of A3 paper, so printer paper, and also my watercolour sheets. Now my tissue, which is A3, is hanging by the window. And I also have a very large drawer that goes really far back that has my larger paper pads in. They're quite useful. Usually they're flat, but I've been rummaging in them. So this is my 12 by 12 and I have it in these plastic containers. They're not hinged or anything. They're literally just open out, but they store really nicely on my Kallax unit, and I can actually get quite a lot of paper into each one and keep them segregated. So my A4 paper, and I use a lot of this, I keep in the boxes that I buy it from the wholesaler in. So all I do is just cut open the front and then leave it like that so that I can easily grab as much paper as I need. My speciality stock that I have to print on, I tend to keep in these plastic containers as well because that keeps it nice and clean. And I also have some printer paper there, and I forgot I've got some rolls of large paper in the corner as well. Now if I'm working on specific projects and I've actually printed things out, I tend to keep those in collections, and I keep those in wallets in these file folder baskets. Now these baskets are for my A5 paper and card. My scraps, I tend to keep, the ones I keep in these little folders because I like to keep them segregated by colour, because that's how I work predominantly. These pieces are in little drawers and they are offcuts basically. So I've got so many of them because I work with these colours all the time. I tend to keep them in drawers because I use them specifically for tags. So rather than throw the scraps away, I just cut tags out. I die cut them. Now this is an amazing little solution. This was actually done for my daughter, and a friend bought me this little file folder. It's a concertina folder and it's really useful for all those speciality papers. My daughter uses this when she wants to do some art. So you can see we just labelled it up and we stuff in things like pretty coloured tissue and textured paper. So we've got some there that's sort of it's like a foamy type texture. It's really pretty, but I don't tend to use that sort of thing, so I've kept all that in there for her, and then she can craft when she wants to. So I hope you enjoyed seeing this. Next time I'm going to do embellishment storage. Let me know how you store your paper below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care. Bye.